guys, Kirk here with the World Monster Truck Alliance, live from Tampa, Florida, for a Southern Tour show. This is the Tampa 2-jump course. We've already had a qualifier. I'll go ahead and set that bracket for you. Our top qualifier was Michigan Ice Monster. That is Stone Cold 4215. His opponent will be Prowler. Prowler is the Pufferfish 501. Pouncer was the 8th qualifier. That's Nathan Smith. His opponent will be War Wizard. War Wizard was Bailey's Monster Trucks. Pure Adrenalin is Joseph Nelson. He's the 5th qualifier. He'll get Lone Eagle. Lone Eagle is Monster Jam Lover. Then we've got Sudden Impact, the 4th qualifier. That's Paul Costantini getting Shock Therapy. That is Dylan Loves Monster Trucks. T-Maxx was the number 2 qualifier. T-Maxx being an NC Gamer Boy 2003. His opponent will be Cowboy. Cowboy is Jose Garcia. Clydesdale was the 6th qualifier. That is Francis Portillo. He gets Razin Kane. Razin Kane is Riley McCord. Predator was the 7th qualifier. That is Hako 25. He gets Ice Cream Man in the first round. That's Ryan Hayward. And our number 2 qualifier was Gunslinger. Gunslinger is Musical Queen. She'll draw Stone Krusher. Stone Krusher is Red Treads. First round matchup ready to go with Michigan Ice Monster and Prowler. And the Michigan Ice Monster does what any good top qualifier should do, gets the win. Pouncer and War Wizard. And War Wizard, as Pouncer struggles with the second jump. It's Lone Eagle, Pure Adrenalin. Lone Eagle with the win, knocks out Pure Adrenalin. Sudden Impact, Shock Therapy. Very close race at first, but it is Shock Therapy who pulls away, knocks out the team truck. T-Maxx and Cowboy. And Cowboy pulls off the upset. Gunslinger, Razin Kane, Clydesdale and Razin Kane, sorry about that. And it's Razin Kane with the win. Knocks out Clydesdale, Razin Kane goes on. Alright, try to refix that. Alright, now we got Ice Cream Man and Predator. And Predator with the win. Knocks out Ice Cream Man. Gunslinger and Stone Krusher. Your final matchup of the round. And it's Gunslinger who goes on. Ready for quarterfinal action. Michigan Ice Monster and War Wizard. And it's the Michigan Ice Monster. As War Wizard struggles again with that second jump. Lone Eagle and Shock Therapy. Shock Therapy with the win. Knocks out Lone Eagle. Cowboy and Razin Kane. Cowboy comes back from behind to get the win as the truck's crossed. And then we got Gunslinger, and number 2 qualifier, and Predator. Gunslinger with the win. Top 2 qualifiers have done well tonight. So we're down to our semifinals. It's Michigan Ice Monster. Stone Cold 4215 going up against Shock Therapy. Shock Therapy is Dylan loves monster trucks. And it's the Michigan Ice Monster going on to the finals. So Tampa here, it seems like qualifying has actually meant something tonight. Gunslinger and Cowboy, the team trucks going at it. Gunslinger, your number 2 qualifier, that's Musical Queen, and Cowboy is Jose Garcia. And it's Jose Garcia with the shocking win in Cowboy. So Cowboy and Michigan Ice Monster go to the finals. Jose Garcia and Stone Cold 4215 for the championship here in Tampa. And a shocker, it's Cowboy. Cowboy knocks off the quick qualifier. That is Jose Garcia with the win. Thanks for watching here in Tampa.